So hello and what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. So after a long time I'm uploading again. So what you're going to play today is Fortnite. I'll just play a match because there is nothing more to do in Fortnite except playing matches and it's just the same thing. I haven't played this game for around 1 month or so. I played last season like a minimal amount. Like there was max to max I played 10 games. I used to play this game a lot during my ninth and 10th, but I haven't played a lot this time around. But we are back at it again. So, this is the new update. It's something to do with sprites and stuff. We will find out more about this in game. So, I'll see you all in match. Yeah, so guys, the game has started, and for the first time in this season, I'm about to thank the bus driver. I did earlier, just a bit delayed. Okay, I don't know why, but my FPS is like very low. There is some problem. Like in Forza, I was managing 144 or something, but Fortnite, I don't know what's happened. I guess here, I guess there is something to do with this guy. I got him. Yeah, I'm getting the 144 FPS I usually do. I guess it was because I opened the game after a long time, so that's why. There is another guy here. I'll try and kill him. Ooh, this Maven has came back into the game. Let's see. Don't mind my skills. I am actually very bad. Like, if I started recording in 10th, my gameplay would have, like before 10th, my gameplay would have been much better. But what can I do now? So I can't find that guy. But what happened during these 2 months, like this week, was that I was kinda lazy and I didn't want to upload. And like the constant thought that I'll have to upload again and again came into my mind. And that's our first kill of the season. That was to a bot, I think. I don't know what to do with these sprites. There is an objective to the top left. Level up the sprite to elimination. Okay, so I'll have to like open chests and stuff and get kills for leveling up. I don't know what's the use of that. This will contribute as help. Yes, it does. I don't know actually what to do. Yeah, so as I was saying, okay, so there's a guy here. We'll kill him. I don't think he's shooting at me. I don't know where he's at. We'll leave him for some time. I'll win this game. So what we'll do is follow this trail. Yeah, and as I was saying, the constant thoughts of editing and recording the video like kept luring my mind away. So I didn't want to record, but I'm back at it again. We'll see how this goes. I'll upload for 3 times. I'll upload 3 times this week. I also made a post about my Polygon stuff. Okay, so this guy has fried me. Okay, he plays good, I guess. No, someone tried to third party here. So we'll go in the bush and then try and kill him. I hope I get healed here. I didn't get anything. I got a vault key. Ooh, an AR as well. I don't see him here. I don't know where he's at. He is dead. Damn. How did he die? Okay, but he did drop small shields. That's of use to me. Someone killed him. Like, I don't know where from. Okay, so there is this marker thing. Okay, I think someone's here. So what we'll do is get the medkit, heal up, and then go to that marker right there. Someone's doing using that thing, I guess, because the bar is loading up. Okay, I see someone. I see someone. Let's heal and then kill him. Where's this guy at actually? Okay, that's it. Dead. There's another guy right there. He's dead as well. So 3 kills in my first game, not bad. And that killing bots. I'd say this is like mid-ish. Okay, so this guy is. Oh, so, wait, there is no one in the car. So what? I think they hopped off the car. There he is. He is a bot as well, I guess. No. I'm gonna die like this. I don't know what's the use of this sprite. It's not helping me in anything. Oh, okay. So like, I got cooked once again. So what we'll do is, in the next match, like I'll play 2 matches. I need to win one to gain aura as always. So yeah, I'll see you all in the next match. Yeah, so okay guys, we are in the second game. I'll try to win this one. I'll try to use my builds and stuff to actually like play better against these people. Okay, so thanking the bus driver, obviously. So I think we'll land at this place. I can't pronounce it, but yeah, I'll meet you all when I reach there. I don't think I'll be able to reach there, so we land at this spot. Like there's a chest here and stuff, so that'll, and that too some new kind of chest, which should, okay, I got some gold thing. You have to have a chance to find additional where opening chest. Okay, so I don't know what rarity is this, but I saw some person like begging for this. I don't know what to use these for actually. So and I do think this is rare, so I'll try and not die using it. I was thinking of going aggressive this time around, but this thing has gotten me to okay, I think I have to extract it. So that's right there in front of me, but there is a guy here who will most probably like kill me and stuff, and I don't want to die using this. So I'll take the big pot. Use this, get to max HP and extract this sprite. So I think that will bring it to my collection and stuff. I am just guessing things. I'm like, I have seen them shorts, and I do know a bit, but I'm not sure if I'm doing it right or wrong. I did see Losers Guru begging for this. Yeah, but we'll see. Find a sprite to extract. So what did I do right now? Okay, I think yeah, which added to the collection. Okay, so guys, there is a guy here, and I can't do anything. Okay, so he's a bot. So that's my first kill in this match. Let's change my gun. It didn't do any damage to me, I guess. So as I was saying, life is kinda good, I guess. Like, I don't know what to say, so I'll just gap. Life is good. I learned a lot from my last video actually. The background noises were very loud, so that caused my voice to not be able to get heard clearly. So yeah, and I also like that video was like around two hours, like 2 hours long, and I had to do a lot of editing to get it back to like the length at which people watch. Like I'm not a big YouTuber, so like mostly people won't be able to watch. Like they won't be interested to watch my long videos. My friends did support me a lot. Love you all. And I was supposed to play with a friend right now, but he didn't show up. So we'll see. You'll see. Maybe in the future. Okay, so there is some like shooting going around here, like somewhere down there. I don't know exactly. We'll open this chest. Oh, there he is. There he is. Oh my God, I'm so trash. I missed all my shots. That's amazing. I don't know how did that happen. Okay, I'll just go and yeah, he's dead. Let's drink this guzzle juice after a long time. The big pot. Max HP back again. We'll get this guzzle juice as well for the future. There was another guy shooting me somewhere around here. No, I'm dead. Okay, so yeah, I also found about this. I don't actually die of fall damage.
You know how to take orders.
That would have been actually kind of crazy if I died there.
Let's have some fun.
No, like that would have been negative aura right there. Like not cool. So I'm at 150. I will get a big spot. Okay, new shotgun, not bad. Like that would have been a generational aura loss. I do hear some gunshots there. I don't know what I've marked there. Like I missed a crazy amount of shots trying to kill that guy. I think I'm like after such a long time I'm good with close range, but long range is kinda not easy. Like it's I don't know what has happened to my head. I think my sensi is a bit wrong because this is a new laptop and that's kind of a flex I think. Yeah, so like this is a new laptop, so my old sensitivity is kind of gone. I had to download Fortnite again. That was also a major part of me not uploading the videos. Okay, so someone shooting. Is someone shooting or is that my like sprite? I think someone is. I don't know. I do hear some gunshots. We'll see. Okay, so there is a legendary Flex SMG. Damn. The name goes crazy. Okay, so there is a guy and he has some gun that does blast damage or something. I'll run from here. I can't take him. Like right now, in the situation I am in, not possible. I'll just run away. I do hope so I am able to run away. Okay. So I'll heal right here behind the shop. I don't know why I'm getting matched up with these cool guys. I'm not tough. Oh no, I missed my shot. That was kind of my problem. Like, okay, and I get emoted on. So what we'll do is, I'll meet you in the next match. Yeah, so guys, we are back at it. This will be my final match because if I play more, what will happen is the video would be too long, and for new viewers to get attracted to my channel, I don't need long videos right now. Like max to max, I'm actually uploading long form videos that That's actually not good for growth. And that too, my videos are like 15-20 minutes long. I have like seen some videos and they tell to not upload long videos in the start, but here I am. That's just me, right? So I'll just be myself in this channel and see how it goes. So this is the third match. We'll land in. Okay, let's just land here. We will face all the pro guys here. I don't know why I was matched up with those interestingly good players, sweats. Like it's okay. So what's this free fall? Free fall? Free fall. So anything, I guess. I got a sprite. I'll extract this fire sprite. It has been in my inventory like every match almost. Listen to audio log. I will.
You arrived safely after all.
I got emoted on last match. That's not tough. So I'll try and regain my aura. I got something right now. What is this?
Just that I was unsure about
Equip.
inviting a member of
I'll
the
equip him.
imagined order to
Okay.
assist us.
Oh, okay. So I can interchange between sprites. Okay, that's cool.
Split.
I don't know what sprites do
I
actually.
carry no love and no loyalty to the imagined order.
Okay,
They
I'm
bury
ready.
themselves in their general hubris. I
Please
think
don't die.
I see.
Okay, I'm saved. Like my skills are completely gone. Like I can't do anything except build,
Let's see what that baby can do.
and I'm bad at that as well.
Our competition.
That's my first kill in this match. I do actually hope to win. I want to gain some aura after getting emoted on. So I have a cooler sprite right now. I think it's cooler. It's an epic as well. Okay, I'll just go to the extraction zones. Get these sprites added to my collection. And okay, so there's a chuck jug. I'll get that as well. Yeah, but my main objective is to like complete some part of the objectives, like the in-game objectives, and except that is win this game. I'll call for an extraction. That thing will drop again. I'll drop my sprites in that. I don't know why I'm not dead. It was a bot, so that's why it like didn't kill me. I'll get these sprites out of here, like out of my inventory. There is an AR right here. I'll drop this big bot. We'll get this right there. And yeah. So the things about the land. The zone's also coming. I say we skip the chuck jug. And I think they will get extracted like in some time. I'll use this rift to my advantage. Like I'll just run away from situation. Another bot. I don't know what I'm doing here. It's an actual bot. He's dead. Well, thankfully I'm not dying to bots. I did drop my big pot right there, so what we'll do is use it and get going into the safe zone as well. I thought I wasted my pot there. I don't know what's going around here. Like, I don't know what has actually happened to my skills. They are like actually gone. I'll have to like play this game a lot to get back to where I was. And 11th, with 11th going on, that's actually kind of tough. And I'll also upload videos. Like, what do you all want to see next? I'll upload tomorrow. So, what do you all want to see next? I'll upload that tomorrow. And there's a guy there. Let me just heal and go and kill him. if I am able to kill him. Okay, so somewhere around that guy should be somewhere around here. He went here. That's what I'm guessing. I don't know if he exactly did come here or if he ran away or something. That was not at all needed. It's just for my coolness. I'll get some max made as well. Like I remember in the early times, we used to leave the trees at 50 HP. And I kinda made it my muscle memory. But it's long gone now. I'll actually like lose some aura right here. If I die to like if I like fully break the builds. The reason for that was that what happened was okay, I got a sprite. A new sprite, a duck sprite. Okay, so what happened like what would happen is that when we used to break builds, the animation would like there were a lot of sweats, so the animation would like catch the eyes of them sweats and they would like just come and run towards us and like we would kinda get bullied. So I don't think people are as much sweaty as they were back then. Like that guy who killed me last time around. Like if I landed those shots which I missed, I would have been dead. Surely would have been dead. So we'll go and kill that guy right there. He died. Never mind. So might as well get this sprite to the to get added to my collection. And what is that? Like 4 sprites, I guess. I don't know what a person can get from extracting all sprites. So I've got an idea actually. Last time around when I made my first ever video, which was about Roblox Rivals. If you're new here, go check that out. Amazing vid. So I made a YouTube short of my edits, and I'm dead. Oh my god. I kinda got cooked there, and I don't want that to be going on again and again. So I wanted to say that last time around I made an edit of my first video, like a short, and that short did like well for my first video. So I'm thinking of making another short. So what we and yeah, obviously if you're new here and you haven't checked that video out, go check it out. It's a short video, like not that long, under 5 minutes, and I won that game. I actually cooked that guy 5-0. Yeah, I'll stop. I'll cut with the glazing. So yeah, do check that out, and I'll make another shot of getting the battle pass and checking it out. So yeah, I do hope you all like this video. Comment down which video you want to watch next, and I guess that's it. Like, subscribe, and share. I'll see you all in the next one.